the reason that I'm here is that I wanted to explore our opportunities in this space from Assa Abloy, the company I represent, and I heard good things from colleagues and from friends I know in the business about this school basically.
So we started to work within our company around subscription economy and how this, I would say, this could bring some advantage to our business model. So I decided to gain some skills around that topic. And after a quick search, I saw that INSEAD was actually a good reference in that field. I knew some people that were doing this bootcamp and told me good things about it. So I just wanted to come and see what was this training about.
I wanted to exchange with other colleagues. I wanted also to have other ideas of what subscription or usage-based model could mean in other industries than mine, and be able to share where I am at the moment with my own usage-based project.
Already, I would say, glad to be here, even if it's just halfway to the bootcamp, because I met very interesting people with different and various profiles, so we can share experiences, and we are like-minded people, I would say, around this area. And the people giving the lectures have a tremendous experience in that field. And I think it's a good balance between theoretical, practical, addressing finance, addressing marketing. So I do believe it's giving you in few days like a good snapshot of what you need to, I would say, have in your mind to start this adventure, this project.
And I think that the main takeaways from me halfway into this is that first and foremost, the teachers are so experienced, and every question you throw at them, they have a case to pull out of the hat to say, hey, we did like this in this session, it didn't work, and we tried this and this did work. So it's always relevant information that you get from them. Apart from that, you get a tremendous network of peers in the same situation, trying to explore the same business opportunities. So really valuable for me.
I would say that you need to focus on what is going to be your model that you want to work on, your subscription or usage-based model. The reason being that this bootcamp is really concrete and focus on what you want to achieve and how you want to set your goals. So I would say choose your topic wisely.